How much oil can a healthy engine consume, and why do modern engines experience oil consumption issues? A modern engine is like the human body. Each system functions as part of a whole, and its performance depends on the health of other components. Therefore, excessive oil consumption can stem from numerous factors, ranging from obvious to hidden causes. Here we'll focus on oil loss caused not by leaks but by engine malfunctions and operational peculiarities. Inadequate air filtration, often due to a neglected air filter replacement or leaks in the intake system, can lead to dirt entering the combustion chamber. This results in abrasive wear to the cylinder piston group, including cylinder walls, pistons and rings. The result is residual oil on the cylinder walls that gets burned during operation. Dirt can also accumulate in the grooves of piston rings, mixing with engine oil to form an abrasive paste. Over time, the piston rings wear down, lose height, and the grooves widen. This decreases cylinder sealing and increases oil consumption. Oil can enter the combustion chamber due to worn valve guides or deteriorated valve stem seals. Aging seals often harden and lose their sealing properties. When replacing them, it's essential to check the condition of the valve guides. Excessive valve play can quickly damage new seals, allowing oil to flow back into the combustion chamber. Even a properly functioning turbocharger allows small amounts of oil into the intake system because its seals are gas dynamic rather than fully airtight. These seals, similar to piston compression rings, are not perfectly tight, permitting some gas transfer. In certain operating conditions, such as when exhaust gas pressure is high and intake vacuum is excessive, oil mist from the turbocharger's central housing can enter the intake system. This may lead to visible oil residues at turbocharger joints or inside the intercooler. Oil losses vary by turbocharger model and engine operation mode. As gas dynamic seals wear, oil loss increases, especially under high pressure differentials, such as when the air filter or catalytic converter is clogged. Faulty crankcase ventilation can also lead to increased oil consumption. Over time, deposits can reduce the efficiency of the oil separator or impair the functionality of the ventilation control valve. This allows more liquid oil to enter the intake system, where it burns in the cylinders, leaving deposits on pistons and valves. Excess fuel in the combustion chamber caused by a rich air-fuel mixture or incomplete combustion can wash away the protective oil film on cylinder walls. This semi-dry friction leads to significant wear of the cylinder piston group, reducing engine power and increasing oil consumption. To prevent this, address issues like ignition system malfunctions and faulty fuel injectors promptly. Avoid using poor quality fuel or frequent short trips with an unheated engine, especially in direct injection gasoline engines. In such cases, unburned fuel condenses on cylinder walls, washes away oil, and dilutes it in the oil pan, degrading its properties. Oil degradation accelerates under harsh operating conditions. In such cases, change the oil more frequently than the standard 15,000 km interval recommended by manufacturers. Degraded oil causes piston rings to coke and stick, reducing cylinder sealing and increasing crankcase gas volumes. The crankcase ventilation system may then struggle to handle the excess gases, leading to more oil entering the intake system and burning in the cylinders. Excessive oil consumption can also result from poor operating habits. Prolonged idling at low RPMs reduces cylinder sealing effectiveness due to low combustion pressure. This leaves a thick oil film on the cylinder walls, which subsequently burns. Other challenging conditions include driving with a cold engine under heavy loads, prolonged traffic jams, and frequent short trips without proper engine warm-up. To reduce engine oil consumption, ensure timely maintenance of key components such as air filters, valve seals, and turbochargers. Regularly inspect the crankcase ventilation system and address fuel combustion issues promptly. Use high-quality fuel and oil and avoid harsh operating conditions like prolonged idling or driving with a cold engine. Frequent oil changes under demanding conditions can also help maintain optimal engine performance.